Ever wondered how people actually use donations in order to transfer wealth from their generation to the next generations? My name is Shilly Boy. I'm your tax and financial advisor. I speak everything that has to do with tax, financial planning, and property. Yes, people use donations as a way of reducing their estate and transfer that to the next generation. They do that by transferring some of their wealth to the trust, or in some cases, listen, just want to distribute everything to their children. Right. So that's typically how other people use the donations. However, you be mindful that each person, natural person, is entitled to 100,000 donations every year. So, which means that if we're a couple, we've got entitled to 200,000. So, meaning that we can actually effectively reduces our joint estate by 200,000 on an annual basis and transfer that to the trust. And as a result, use that money in a trust, perhaps to invest in some form of funds that can be best positioned or managed on behalf of the beneficiaries. And in this case, maybe perhaps even the beneficiaries being their children. So think about it, 200,000 can be invested in various form of investments, and that's for creating wealth for the next generation. So think about it, and if you are able to do that, why not? But yeah, let's have a conversation. How have you used donations in order to transfer wealth from your side to the next generation? Have a conversation with me. Good luck.